The water-pick water
Number
flosser
1.
is the easy and more effective way to floss. Before using your new Aquarius water flosser, please read the Quick Start Guide and instruction manual. To get started, remove the reservoir from the base of the unit. Fill the reservoir with warm water and place it firmly back on the base. Next, select the tip that is right for you. Our orthodontic tip is perfect for cleaning around braces. Our plaque seeker tip is great for implants, crowns, bridges, and retainers. Our pickpocket tip gently delivers rinses below the gum line. And our classic jet tip is best for general use. Insert a tip firmly until it clicks into place. To remove or change the tip, slide the eject switch located on the side of the handle. To begin water flossing, place the tip in your mouth and lean over the sink. Press the power button to turn the unit on. In floss mode, start on the lowest pressure setting and increase to your liking. During use, you can stop the water flow by sliding the water switch to the off position. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing while still allowing water to flow from your mouth into the sink. To avoid mess, look into the sink while water flossing, not into the mirror. For best results, aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Starting with the back teeth, follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. A 1-minute timer with a 30-second pacer is included to ensure adequate water flossing time. The Aquarius has 2 modes. After flossing, you may select the massage mode for enhanced gum stimulation and circulation. All it takes is a minute a day to get healthier gums, brighter teeth, and fresher breath.
See the links below. Number 2. Number 3. See the links below. Number 4.
Meet the glider. If the outside of your window's dirty and you can't reach it, you can try to climb up a high ladder, or you can take a walk on the roof, or simply use the glider. The glider is a simple, perfect solution to clean the outside of windows when there's no easy access to them. The glider is equipped with a powerful magnet and comes in 3 models designed for window thickness from 4 to 28 millimeters. The uniqueness of the glider lies in its ability to spread the cleaning liquid from the part of the window that's nearest to you across the entire window. The glider washes the dirt off both sides of the window at the same time. The glider has 4 wipers layered in a perfect way to pull the liquid across the glass, leaving it clean, dry, and shining. The microfiber cloth can then be used to wipe off any remaining streaks on the window after the glider's operation. For safety, close your window on the white string or wear the security ring. The glider is part of a line of prestigious cleaning tools from T-Roller, a leader in the market for over 25 years.
Number 5.
Don't you know homemade electric spin scrubber?
What?
See the links below. Number 6.
Here comes a new
Number
concept for your
7.
home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has 2 powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use
See
only
the
the water
links
you
below.
need without wasting a drop.
Number 8. See the links below.